Moband translates your motions into infrared codes which control home appliances. 10 default motions are preset, and unlimited custom motions can be defined by the user. You can simply wave Moband to switch on or off your home appliances. Or rotate it to adjust the volume of multimedia equipment. We understand 10 default gestures are far from enough to make all your wishes come true. Moband is designed to allow you to define your own motions. Moband also supports IR code learning, and it can literally control any infrared appliance. Open source Bluetooth interface is also provided for professional users. With a secondary development based on the API provided from us, Moband is able to support many more devices than you can imagine. Want to play jazz drums? Use Moband as a drumstick. A robot arm? Sure, it is under control. As a startup, we need your support. And if magic is what you want, make it happen by clicking the support button on Kickstarter to support us.